Now we will see the explanation. These are the characters of the story. Sheikh Chilli, Zamindar, Sheikh Chilli's friends. Once there lived a man named Sheikh Chilli. He was a simpleton but was very popular among his friends. One day, the landlord asked Sheikh Chilli to count the total number of houses in the village. I will pay you 50 paisa for each house you count, the landlord said. Sheikh Chilli walked all over the village and counted all the houses, and the landlord paid him as per the terms. When Sheikh Chilli's friends came to know about this deal, they said, Sheikh Chilli, don't you know that the landlord is dishonest? We are sure he must have cheated you. Don't worry, friends, said Sheikh Chilli. I cheated him. This time I counted 100 houses, but I only told him half the number. Hearing this, Sheikh Chilli's friends had a hearty laugh. Now once again, I am narrating the story. A very long time ago, there lived a man whose name was Sheikh Chilli. Now Sheikh Chilli was a simpleton. He was rather stupid, and it was very easy to make a fool of him. But he was very popular. Everyone liked him. They enjoyed his company. One day the village zamindar, landlord, called Sheikh Chilli to his house. Everyone knew that the zamindar was a very dishonest man. He asked Sheikh Chilli to count all the houses in the village. The landlord promised to pay him 20 paise for every house that he counted. Poor Sheikh Chilli worked hard for many hours. He walked through the streets and lanes. He counted many houses. In the evening, he went to the zamindar and gave him the total number of houses. The zamindar paid him for his work. Sometime later, Sheikh Chilli's friends heard about the work he had done. They went to see him. You are a fool, said one friend. Why didn't you talk to us before agreeing to work for the zamindar? Don't you know he is very dishonest? I am sure he has cheated you, said another friend, shaking his head sadly. Oh, no, replied Sheikh Chilli, smiling confidently. This time he didn't cheat. How do you know? Said the third friend. I know because this time I cheated him, Sheikh Chilli replied, looking very pleased with himself. His friends were very surprised. What do you mean? Oh, I was very clever. I gave him a smaller number, came the proud reply. In fact, I gave him only half the number of houses which I had counted. Now we will see questions. Number 1. Describe Sheikh Chilli. Answer. Sheikh Chilli was a simpleton. He was rather stupid and it was very easy to make a fool of him, but he was very popular. Number 2. Who was called Sheikh Chilli? Answer. The village zamindar was called Sheikh Chilli to his house. Number 3. How was the landlord? Answer: the landlord was a very dishonest man. Number 4. What did the landlord ask Sheikh Chilli to do? Answer: the landlord asked Sheikh Chilli to count the number of houses in the village, and he told Sheikh Chilli that he would give 20 paise to him for every house he counted. Number 5. Where did Sheikh Chilli walk? Answer: Sheikh Chilli walked the streets and lanes. Number 6. What did his friend tell him? Answer: his friends told Sheikh Chilli that he should have spoken to them first, because then they would have helped him cheat the greedy and dishonest landlord. Number 7. What did he reply? Answer: he replied to his friends very confidently that he had cheated the dishonest landlord. Number 8. Who was cheated by whom? Answer: Sheikh Chilli was cheated by himself. Thank you.